For you, we are the group number 18. We are going to talk about equivalent metric space. And my name is Joshua Emmanuel, a professional teacher of mathematics. I am the pilot of this group, and I have collaborated with my colleague. And my first colleague is Fikiri, who is a professional teacher of mathematics too. And our third colleague is Shikirija Emmanuel, who is a professional teacher of mathematics and economics. Our big deal in this group is to describe about how equivalent metric space work. Before we start in deep, let us make a little introductions about what is equivalent metric space. Equivalent metric space, let us assume we have two distance. It is d and d dash. Metric d and d dash on set x are said to be equivalent if they give rise to the same family of open set. Clear this concept. Let us take an example, the drainage system. The drainage system has some several tributaries, which all of them they are being directed to the same source, which is an ocean. Let us consider this example, which provide a little explanations or explanations about how drainage system operates, and then also we'll come to make a simple concept about what happened there. We've seen different tributaries are being directed to the oceans. Let us take an example, two tributaries. The first tributaries, let us label it as D, and the second tributaries, let us label it as D dash. And all of them are being directed to the river. Let us label it as X. Now, those two different distances, all of them are being directed on the same source, which is an ocean. Consider the following diagrams, which describes the mathematical concept about the scenarios of drainage systems. That is a simple demonstrations about how equivalent metric space work and how equivalent metric space operates and different mathematical concepts in different mathematical concepts. See the meaning of equivalent metric space, and also having seen the little demonstrations from the drainage systems, how and how relate with mathematical concepts. Let us move to check the applications of equivalent metric space. Equivalent metric space has broad application in the daily life. For example, equivalent metric space can be used in electric installation. Can be used in electric installations. So how this can be happened? Take an example in the distributions of electricity in a house from the same source. The concept applied there, it is the concept of equivalent metric spaces, because different wire from different rooms, wire are distributed from the same source to the different rooms in a house. That concept is a concept of equivalent metric space. And also we can say we can check another example, which is the pipe distributions, maybe in the house or in the villages. We know that there is a water tank which accumulates waters, and then also water are distributed by in different areas, maybe in the street or in the house. All those are the applications of equivalent metric space in the daily life.